As part of the first Franco-Chinese fashion meetings, various exhibitions bring about a fashion carnival which pleases the eye and ear. From March 29th to April 19th, a photography exhibition and a video exhibition are to be held in the Yanqing Li Fashion Center. Marked with young attitudes and creativity, the photography exhibition, À nous la mode, invited 4 photographers, 2 from China and 2 from France, to reveal the beauty of clothes with artistic photos. The unique video exhibition, I Could Never Be a Dancer, is a duet that breaks the boundaries between dancing, fashion, advertising, and contemporary art with the flexibility of French art. To explore further in the fashion world, the Lace Review exhibition opened on March 22nd, featuring 14 workshops in Calais and Cadre. The exhibition vividly portraits the 200-year legend of Livres lace.
The idea of the exhibition is to promote the creativity and multiplicity of products that those lace makers are able to provide for the fashion market. They are hidden in the small cities in north of France, but actually they produce the most luxurious lace that you can see in most of the big international brands. The technique and the know-how is based on 200 years of experience. They are master at reinventing the same technique over and over with new designs, adapting them to the new trends.
Combining cosmetics and art, the French luxury brand Dior presented a Dior The Art of Color exhibition at the Museum of Contemporary Art, Shanghai, on March 21st. On this wonderful trip of colors, Dior showed its history of imaginative creation with cosmetics. The first Franco-Chinese fashion meetings enriches fashion in multiple dimensions. While reviewing the history, it also shows limitless possibility of collaboration between the two countries.